It's demo day. So day one of this job in Winter Garden. So this is a townhome here. But we are going to be going ahead and taking out, this is the hall bathroom, taking out the floor in here, the toilet, the vanity, the countertop. So the mirror, the light, so switching those pieces out, taking out the towel ring there, the towel bar that's over here, toilet paper holder, replacing all that, doing drywall repairs. All this flooring, which is tile, that was all coming out throughout here, and then the carpet in these rooms. Basically everything on the first floor except for the master bathroom flooring is coming out because we're putting in a laminate throughout. We're also going to go ahead and change out the stairs. So these look great. They're actually going to match the laminate that we're putting down here. So these are going to turn into laminate treads and risers, so which will look really good. So as we go through here, all of this flooring, like I said, we actually make notes. So let's say get inside the closet, demo the floor inside. The clearer you are in your communication, the more effective it is, so you get the results that you're looking for. That's part of what we go ahead and make sure we do. So, and to that end, we also have scopes of work that we leave for all the guys for the work that they're going to be doing. This is just the electrician and the demo guys right now for everything they're going to be going ahead and knocking out. This is the master bedroom. Carpet's coming out of here. We're also going to paint all the walls, so throughout the unit, so walls and the trim and everything, so it'll all be refreshed. Since the owner's actually moving in, this has been a rental. Make sure you stay tuned. So this one's going to go fast and it's going to look awesome whenever we are finished up.